Hello my friends, now in this tutorial I want to show you how we can download and install VLC Media Player step by step. First guys, go to Google search engine in your browser. Okay, as you can see, type VLC Media Player. Don't worry guys, I will put the link in the description below. Okay, that's it. The first link, official download of VLC Media Player. It's a free program, open source program. Don't worry about the license key. Okay, click here. Here, download VLC. Okay, you can by click download VLC download this program. Simply, that's it. Okay guys, the program will be downloaded. Okay guys, now select download, start download. Okay, wait a few minutes to download this program. Okay guys, now open the downloaded file. Okay, click next. Now I will install the VLC Media Player program. Okay, again next. You can change the destination folder. Okay, this is a default location. Click install. That's it guys, wait a moment for install this program. Okay, click finish, continue. Okay, now guys, you can open any music or video file in this VLC Media Player by drag and drop, as you can see. Okay, or you can click media, open file, and select any file you want, video file, any file. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.